family, Black Feniks checking in with you, man. Just wanted to talk to you for a second. You know, I was thinking about some things today about taxes and business LLCs and corporations and how to protect your assets through your business and not in your personal. And you know what, man? A lot of people would say they need to tax the rich, or they need to tax the rich more, so that way, you know, we don't have as many taxes as the middle class. It's never going to happen, because you know why? The middle class and poor work for their money. That means they're actually working a 40-hour check or 50 hours or 25 or whatever the situation might be. They are working for their money. They don't have businesses and different funds set up and passive income coming in where they're making money off their money. They're making money off their assets and not just working for it. You know, like the normal person that don't have an LLC, and some independent LLCs, because even the independent LLC like myself, I mean, even we work for our money, you know what I mean? We're providing a service, but the goal is to allow your money to work for you, you know what I mean? And it just hit me, man, that sometimes, you know, we be barking up the wrong tree, you know what I mean? We be picking fights with the wrong person, and, you know, people want to say, oh, the rich are evil, this and this. No, they ain't. They're just smarter than the person that's working for their money, that's all. You know, once you learn, man, once you know better, you're going to do better, you know what I mean? So, I would just say this. Learn how to make your money, or let your money work for you. Work harder than you. Work for you all the time than you actually working for you. You feel what I'm saying? Hold on.